Welcome back, my friends, to the show that never ends. As they said, what do we have today? Today something new, very new. Not my usual new old car. New for me because I never had, but old because it was an old model. This is quite new. What is it? Look at this. Ta-da! We have the last year Le Mans winner. Last year, yes. 1 to 10 scale, radio controlled, electric, Toyota. This is a very, very nice model. I don't know what's inside, except for what is on the box. But all these are standard things. Look at the box. This pack has a long delivery story, and when I received it, it was in this condition. I used to keep the boxes, they are part of the model, and this sadly is quite broken. Anyhow, let's open and look at what's inside. This is a surprise also for me. I never open it. I don't know which kind of model we have here. Instruction. This is not a surprise. Body and chassis. Chassis. Oh, it's always quite the same from the beginning. 1 damper here. Maybe the chassis flex, and here no oil dampers, perhaps just a coil, a spring.
Yes.
This remembers me something. The last car I mounted of this kind, yes. This was the Mercedes C11, and the frame is quite the same. Nothing new under the sun. Very good frame. Okay, these are instructions. It's not very difficult. This is in a couple of hours you can do this. Body, voila. Wow. Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. 3 pages of instructions. Just here the work is the body. Here the work is the body. How many pieces? It takes an year to finish. Wow, look at here. Front lights. It would be nice to put some LEDs, very little LEDs. Also here on the rear there were that red line inside the wing support. Mamma mia! What we have to do? I want to show you all the decals because look at here. Okay, this is for masking, it's quite good. It's very good, not quite, very good. And these are the decorative. And it is not all, because I've seen also another. Where are you? Where another little. Yes, but that one is for on-off caution hot. Maybe with a little more light. How is it? Bam bam. Yeah, better. These are tires, pardon. Very, very soft compound. Super slicks. Here inside, it would be nice to paint in color, white, maybe, like Dunlop or Goodyear. And these are tires. This is inside tires, the sponge. This is the front suspension. This is the body. Pardon. Wow. Wonderful. Wonderful. One piece. Here another piece. Le voilà. Front lights. And this is the nose. This is the part under the body on the rear. Rear wing. It's very complicated. Very nice. Remember, don't throw away plastic. You can keep it in the box at the end of the work. So here we have a body mount, front hubs, steering rods, not adjustable. This is a pity. There. Motor mount in plastic. For sure there will be the metal one, like an hip-hop options. Here it is, the little sheet of decals. Here we have these plates that I don't know what they are for. Front body mount, other body mount. Okay, these are not so many columns. Ah, this is nice. Okay, and this Tamiya. What is this? Then wheels. Nice wheels. Mirrors in white. And here the frame. I love this material. Yes, it is always the same. The under frame, the upper frame, and the rear part that flex with the damper that contrasts this flexion. Flexibility. Nice. And here in this big bag, wow, there's a surprise. There's a surprise. Engine, standard engine. This requires something better. This is very poor. Rear axle, quite heavy. Gears, differential, and ta-da! Ball bearings included in the kit. This is good. This is a good news. This is good. This is good. This is the string screws. There are a lot of aluminium pieces. It is quite technical. Where is it? Here. This is very nice. This is for the differential, I think. And also these rods, tools, clips, grease, double-sided adhesive. Double-sided. This is for the body. You have so many pieces. Perhaps something is to glue together. Very, very little screws, a ton of very, very little screws. Lot of work, this body. Servo saver. And this, I can't imagine what is this. 6 pieces like this. We will discover it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is attention, attenzione, also in Italian. Thank you. Attenzione. Be careful. Attenzione. So, this is it. Maybe I have something here. That is this engine, this motor with pinion too. Wow, it's a little bit better than this one. And this comes from the Subaru. I have mounted the brushless one. This brushless, you go on the video, on the Subaru video, and this brushless motor is very good and very, very cheap. The first one I bought at 28 euros. Now I have bought once again, but 37 euros. This is China's policy for marketing. This is marketing. Okay, but 37 euros for a good brushless motor with ESC is a good price. Maybe. So, this is it. I think this is wonderful. Very nice. Look at this, the body. And one day we will start to do. Thank you very much, guys. Hope you enjoy. And in the instructions I haven't seen something very important. That is comments, likes and subscribe. Remember. Bye.